Hey, my beautiful Tea Party Squad, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello and welcome. My name is Chikoa and I love to plan, craft, and organize here on my channel. Now in this video today, I'm actually going to be doing a plan with me. And as you may know, I have been celebrating my 2-year YouTube anniversary along with my planner bestie, krystalklearideas. And so as a finale of my YouTube anniversary, this sticker shop called LuxCleverCrafts has created a customized photo kit for me and my planner bestie, Crystal. And since I have not done a plan with me at all for the entire month of October, I thought I would end it off with a plan with me using these beautiful customized photo kits. Now, this shop is partly owned by my planner bestie, right there, Crystal. It is a customized kit that was done in honor of our YouTube anniversary, but it is also a collaboration that we are also doing along with some other planner babes, and I will actually link their Instagram name in the description box so you can check out their spreads. Now, they're not on YouTube, they are on Instagram, and they are going to be posting their spreads using their customized photo kits. So please make sure you go on over and check out what pictures they picked. So the process for this customized photo kit, I was able to choose 4 photos that I want to use, and these are good quality photos that I had professionally done. And I just kind of gave them my color scheme, so I was able to choose that. And then they gave me some days of the weeks. I got some checklist boxes. I have some flags here. I have some little boxes here, some to-do stickers, important. And then I have some full boxes as well. So I'm really excited to go ahead and do this plan with me as ending off this 2-year YouTube anniversary. And I will be incorporating some sticker books from the Happy Planner. Of course, I just feel like I want to add some florals in here, so I may pull out some detail florals out of here. I did pull out my colorful boxes and my colorful shapes sticker book, but I don't think I'm going to need that because I got a lot of boxes in this kit by itself. So I may not use that. And then I may incorporate some washi tape, which I do like this washi tape by Capital Chic Designs that says hashtag planner friends make the best friends, and then hashtag planner addict. I just think that that just goes perfect with this photo kit. And then if I don't use the detail florals, I'm thinking about using these floral washies. So these are the washies that I'm thinking about tying in together with this photo kit, but we'll see how it goes. Now, LuxCleverCrafts do not offer customized kits, but they will be able to customize colors with the items they already have in their shop. So please make sure you go ahead and check out LuxCleverCrafts on Etsy. And this is partly owned by my planner bestie, krystalklearideas, and her sister-in-law, which is Rena Rocks, also here on YouTube, and she is also on Instagram. So again, this is a plan with me, and so now it is time to go ahead and plan. I'm going to be planning for the week of November the 2nd through the 8th in my social media planner because, you guys, I love planning in my social media planner. That's one of my favorite things to do. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, guys, so here is my completed spread for this week in my social media planner. I absolutely love how this turned out. This is super cute. So thank you to LuxCleverCrafts who actually created and customized this photo kit in honor of my 2-year YouTube anniversary, as well as my planner bestie, krystalklearideas YouTube anniversary. So let me know what you think of this photo kit. Now, again, this is just a special made photo kit, but they do have other options in their shop. So they're not doing photo kits at this time or customized photo kits, but you are able to pick and choose a color theme of what you want for some of the items that they have in their shop. So please make sure you go ahead and check them out, and I'll link their shop down below in my description box. But I love how everything turned out. The only thing that I added with this photo kit was this Detail Florals sticker book by the Happy Planner, and I just thought that the colors just went well with this. And you guys know I love pink and I love florals. I'm just saying, like, that is so cute. So that was my motivation and my theme as far as what I wanted to create for my photo kit. And I just picked some of the pictures that I actually love that just represented me. And of course, I love being in my craft space, so I wanted to have a picture of that. And then I love all things purse and fashion, like I'm into like bags and stuff like that. And then of course I love planners, so I had to tie in my bag and my planner in there. And then of course, doing awesome collabs and things with my planner bestie, I had to include a picture of us. And then also my planner, like, come on, like that just tie in together. And I love this washi by I believe this was Capital Chic Designs. You can get it out of Michael's. And I just love the hashtags that says hashtag planner friends, hashtag planner addict. I just love, love, love this. And so if you're wanting to incorporate or do something similar to this, you absolutely can do this. All you need, let me move this out of the way. All you need is a HP sprocket and some colorful boxes. If you have those, you can create something similar to this. And with the HP sprocket, you're able to print pictures off of your phone or your tablet. And these are just some pictures that I had that I printed off when I went to Go Wild in 2019. Some I went to a planner meetup. And so I was able to meet some of my favorite YouTubers and Instagrammers, and I just had to get pictures with them, like, you know. So I will be incorporating this in another spread as well, because I just love the fact of just adding personalization to my spread. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please make sure you go ahead and head on over to krystalklearideas, where she is also going to be showing you her photo kits from. And if you are new to my channel, or if you've been checking me out for quite some time, I do hope you go ahead and consider subscribing if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.